RPMs are stable. Fuel levels look good.
Careful, that wreck could be unstable.
The monkeys seem calm enough. Let's get a closer look.
Stay together, watch for movement.
Something's inside.
Engine's completely seized. Look at this corrosion.
Rotor blades are bent. This thing isn't flying again. Hand me the pliers, I need to check these mounts.
Whatever brought it down, it was bad luck. We need to...
This one's tough. Keep pulling, it's giving way.
Look, the metal's underneath.
Almost there, one more pull.
Hit it hard on the sides.
This mud is ancient. Finally coming clean.
Keep going, look at that metal. Oh,
This vine is stubborn, but the moss is coming off.
full power on the fuselage.
The metal is shining through. One more pass, we're almost there.
Parts are here. Get ready.
Copy that. Truck's coming in.
Careful, the ground's soft. Guide it in.
Align the rotor hub. Watch the cables.
Easy, easy. Lower it slow.
Alignment looks good. Lock it in.
Hand me the torque wrench, these bolts. Engine solid. Time for the new glass.
Careful with the edges. These panels are expensive.
Torque to spec. Cracks are bad. We need a weld now.
Right. I'll hold it steady.
Sparks, watch your eyes.
Got it. Looks solid.
One more pass. Wiring looks fried. Passing the torch.
Got the panel. Careful with those controls.
Reconnecting now. This should stabilize the systems. This dust is everywhere.
Keep going on the instruments. Almost clear now, ancient. Looking better. One more pass and we can test them.
Power to the panel. Connector ready.
Ready, go.
Okay, bringing in the first seat.
Aligning it now.
Bolting the frame.
Feels solid, good.
Mask up. Let's prime the body panels.
Action.
Even coats. Watch the edges. Switching to the military green top coat.
Copy. Going for full glossy coverage.
Beautiful transformation. Keep it even.
Let's run the systems check.
Copy, climbing in.
Avionics are online. Panels are glowing.
Engine start sequence initiated. RPMs are stable. Fuel levels look good. Let's proceed with refueling.
Copy. Exterior team, begin filling and check all connections. Nozzle secure. Pumping now. We're clear. Fire it up.